Gobeithio, ni'n iawn. Bore da. Na I just check on ma digon lle. Pawb yn iawn. Bore da. Sesiwn cynta o'r wythnos, first session of the week. Pasg hapus i chi gyd. I hope you all had a lovely Easter. I feel a little bit sick. Gave up chocolate and I had a lot of chocolate. So we'll see how this morning goes. Gewn ni weld shwt mae'n mynd. 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises, gweithio a munud pob tro, working for a minute every time, gyda gorffwys bach yn y canol with a little break in the middle. So 30 seconds, then a break, 30 seconds, and we'll move on. Okay. Heddi, ni'n mynd I wneud ochr I ochr, side steps. Okay, so fel fi, os mae lle gyda chi, if you've got your space in front, you just turn to the side to side, or you can also go side to side, facing the camera, okay? Whatever's easiest. Ochr ochr. Flutter kicks, the next one. We're not messing around, Heddi. Pam chi'n rusio, Steph? Mae fe'n really oer, no e? Bwrw eira, it's snowing in Ceredigion, so we're going to get started. If you are watching this in July, it might not be snowing, just so you can gwybod. Flutter kicks. Gorwel lawr, you're going to lie down on your back. Feet are going to do kicks. Okay, toes pointed up. Toes pointed upwards. Okay. And we're using our lower abs and core muscles fanna. Star jumps. Eto, if you can't do star jumps, chi'n gallu mynd i'r ochr. Fel na, like that. But if you can do star jumps, ni'n mynd fel na. Okay? Feet are going out. Arms up. Nôl mewn, arms down. I newydd, falle mae shreds ni Steve wedi wneud hwn, ond sa'n gallu cofio, really. Fi'n mynd I galw crab balance. Everybody on your buns. Okay, high 10, ni'n mynd I rhoi dwylo ni ar y llawr. Bums up, okay, pin all off the llawr. We're going to put our feet flat on the floor. A wedyn, ni'n just mynd I kicks bach. Okay? That's what we're going to call it. Crab balance gyda kicks. So ni'n neud bach o core. Hefyd, gyr y pwys ni, all of our weights going on our arms. A wedyn ni'n mynd I benny off gyda squat jumps. Okay? So squat jump. Pawb yn gwybod beth I wneud. Ni'n mynd I iste lawr. A wedyn, jump lan a nôl lawr. Gwisgo sanau heddi, it's cold outside, so I've got my socks on. Bore da I Antonio a Enzo a Giacomo sy'n neud y sesiwn bore yma. Bore da. Pawb gyda dŵr, I hope everyone's got some water ready. I'm going to have a little sip. Cyn ni dechrau, before we start, we'll do our warm-up. So pawb yn barod. Marching on the spot, okay? Arms are working, knees are coming up, cyferbyn, okay, we're going to go opposites. I'r ochr, knees are coming quite high. If we're walking, we'd walk like this, so we're marching. Popeth yn dod lan. Okay, nôl i'r canol, back to the middle. Ni'n mynd I troi mewn I bach o jog. Tra'n dod off the llawr. Feet are coming off the floor. Some of you might go skiing today if it's that snowy. Fi wedi weld cwpl o lluniau. I've seen a few pictures. Mae'r eira wedi dod lawr. Good. I can't checo. 117. So ni'n troi mlaen. Jogs bach, good. When we're jogging, ni'n mynd I rhoi high 10. High 10s. Gweithio upper body now, okay? Hefyd. Fi'n teimlo cefn fi, I can feel my back working. Arms are working. Okay. Cilchau, we're going to make circles. Bend at the elbows. We don't want them straight for this. We want a little bend. Whoa. Keep those feet off the floor when you're moving. Da iawn. You wedi charge your iPad fi? I've charged my iPad this week. Okay, good. Now back with dynamic stretching. Kicks back. Straight leg. Da iawn. And swap over next leg. Working a bit of balance. Whoa. Keep nice and tall. Da iawn. Okay, we're going to do some groin stretch to the side. We're going to bend and push back up. This leg's pretty straight, okay? Eitha syth, lan. Push. One more, un arall. Good, okay. Ochr arall nawr. Make sure we're breathing. Da iawn pawb. Sweating the chocolate out. Oh. Un mwy. One more. Da iawn, okay. Mynd dros o'r gat. We're going to go over the gate. Over the gate with your other leg. A to. Mas a mewn. Out to in. And we'll do one more on this side. A wedyn, we're going to go back over the gate. In to out. Okay. One more each side. Da iawn. Ydy pawb yn barod? Quick swing o dŵr, nice settle on an iPad. Other forms of technology are available. Okay, so ni'n mynd i dechrau na ochr I ochr, side to side. Oh! Don't tell the council. Ochr I ochr, so ni'n mynd I fynd gweithio side to side, a wedyn touch your llawr. Okay, keep your back straight, don't go down. Okay, fel na. Nice and tall, side to side, wedyn pluggy, then bend at the knees, down, okay? Pan barod? Yeah, okay. Side to side. Work for 30 seconds. Little ones in the middle, hwnna'n fine, little steps. Yeah, must have loads of lle, ti moyn neud nhw eitha mawr, you can do big ones. That's fine. I'm going to mix it up. Bigger ones. Hello. Pump eiliad. Da iawn. Ni'n gweithio galed. Nice one to get the heart rate going, okay? Ni'n symud, bach o cardio. Cardio yn golygu ni'n gweithio yr calon. Okay, 5 seconds, siglo fy mas. Pan barod. Cofia, with this, you don't need to change direction. Okay? Leading with my left. Lawr, leading with my right. If I turn around, I'm leading with my right. A wedyn nôl gan y chwith, doesn't make a difference. Da iawn. 5 eiliad, da iawn, can o fynd. Da iawn pawb. Flutter kicks nesa. Ni'n mynd I neud abs, bach o core. Nice and flat ar y llawr on the floor. Just neud yn siŵr, ni'n gallu weld popeth. You're going to be lying down, head on the floor, neud kicks bach. Okay. 5 eiliad. 30 seconds work, break. Okay, head on the floor. You can put your hands on the floor for support. You can put them under your back if it's comfortable. Kicks back. I'm going to put mine under my back. Ah, it's comfy. Halfway. Keep breathing. Don't have to be big kicks. I'm not going all the way up. Just little kicks at the bottom. Oh. Oh. Kicks back. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Dig eiliad. Finish that off. Wedyn mae star jumps nesa. 9 seren. Okay. Pawb nôl lawr. Kicks back. I don't know if you can see my feet. Yeah, I'm gallu weld. I can see my green socks. Oh. So hello pawb ar Facebook, hello pawb ar YouTube. Oh. Dig eiliad. Bydd hwn ar gael ar Microsoft Teams hefyd i'r athrawon. Come on, keep going. Oh, oh, that's tough. Tough. Sweat the chocolate out. So star jumps nesa. Ys ti angen drink bach, you got 20 seconds. If you can't do star jumps, mas i'r ochr, nôl mewn, back to the other side, okay? Keep doing that. Os mae mangiad y ci na, if you've got your grandparents, they can do that one. Maybe we can jump, okay? Pawb barod. Okay. Nice rhythm. Above the head, mewn. Above the head, mewn. Good one for the legs. 5 eiliad, 5 seconds. Da iawn. Maybe a second one will go a little bit faster. Little bit. I'm scared that my chocolate's going to come up though. Oh. Okay, come on, Seth. Don't think about your chocolate spew. Okay, off funny. Little bit quicker. Set a rhythm. Ni'n wastad siarad yn bit I hwn. Rhythm. If you go too fast, you won't last. So get yourself a good pace. It's a marathon, not a sprint, maen nhw'n gweud. If you go too fast, you won't last. Copyright. Da iawn pawb. Crab balance nesaf. Fi'n mynd I cael diod. Oh. Hefyd, it hasn't helped. My porridge was absolutely rubbish this morning. I didn't cook it right. So, I need to cael afal o yogurt. Feeling a little bit weak, guys. Loud. Crab kicks. Okay. Bum off the floor, pinol off the llawr. Dwylo. Facing the front. Crab kicks. Da iawn. Arms are getting heavy. Okay, good for the coesau fyd, good for the legs. Oh, da iawn. I troi'r ochr. So you should be able to see high 10, back, boom, facing forward. And we'll do the kicks, bum off the floor. Da iawn. Oh. Kicks. Da iawn. Good. If I enjoy the hunt, good. Never done this one before. Hoop. Nice and gentle with the feet landing. Da iawn. Last one, squat jumps. Os ti ddim yn gallu neud nhw, if you can't do squat jumps, okay, just do squats. But if you can, try and push yourself to get some air time, okay? Squat, jump back. As long as you're off the floor, doesn't matter to me. Okay? Bach o power and a coesau. Lots of sports, we need to jump. Sometimes you need to jump to get something from the shelf. With your hands, you can keep them in front. Some people put them on their head. Lan I chi. Squat, jump. Keep your back straight. My quads are on fire. Fuego. Ardan. Whoa. That's all the languages I've got. Woohoo! Da iawn pawb. 15 eiliad rest ar ôl. 30 seconds then. Job done. Cool out, stretch your ass. Maybe build a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, off funny. Torheilwch os diwetha. Sunbathing last week. Good. Back straight. It's not bent over, okay? Oh, my quads. Oh, on fire. Ah, shake it off. Taylor Swift. Shake it off. Lan aloud, cerdded off. Shiglo the mas. Oh, trying to sell me trainers today. Dim diolch. Okay, so angen sip o dŵr, fi'n mynd I cael quick sip. Okay, yr un cynta, first one we're going to do, quad stretch. My quads are on fire, so fi'n rwy'n cael lactic acid mas. So, o'r ochr, right leg, right arm. And we're going to hold. Nice and tall. Cadw nadlu, keep breathing through your nose. Out through your mouth. Good, let it go gently. Swap o droso. Left arm, left leg. Lan. Oh, balance. Ooh. Da iawn. In through the nose, going to get the breathing slower now. Cooling down. Da iawn, okay. Hip circles. We're going to go one way 10 times, then we're going to go back the other way. Nice big circles. 1, 2, 3. Oh, pardon. 4. Yogurt. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ffordd arall, back the other way in Welsh. 1, 2, 3, big circles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're going to reach to the sky. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Reach to the stars, boys bach. Allow, relax. Shoulder shrug. Reach to the top again. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Loud. Shoulder shrugs. Un mwy. Stretch to the top. A shriglo fe mas. Okay, da iawn pawb. Bi ni yma trwy'r wythnos nawr. We're here for the rest of the week. Di Mercher, di Ai, di Gwener. Okay, so gobeithio chi'n mynd i switcho arno a join mewn. Hopefully you'll switch on and join in with us. Enjoy the day. I think it's snowing now and it's the 6th of April. What can we do? Dim byd. Okay, diolch yn fawr pawb. Popeth ar Teams, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any social media we've got, really. Oil.